Hello everyone, today we learn about the aortic and pulmonary valves and their auscultatory areas. The pulmonary valve is located at this point. This is the third costal cartilage. The right ventricle is below and the pulmonary trunk is above. So the blood will flow from the right ventricle onto the pulmonary trunk like this. And in that case, you can auscultate the pulmonary sounds at this point. This is the second left intercostal space. Let us contrast this with the aortic area. The aortic valve is located at this point, and as you know, the left ventricle is located here, and from there the blood will go into the aorta, and hence the aortic area will be on the second right intercostal space. This is in contrast with what happens in the pulmonary area, which was from the right ventricle onto the pulmonary area over here. This can be remembered by placing your hands like this and thinking that this is the right ventricle and this is the pulmonary area, and this is the left ventricle and this is the aortic area. Note that the direction of blood flow is from the right ventricle to the pulmonary area almost vertically upwards, and from the left ventricle to the aorta behind this stream. So that is a reason why the aortic area is on the right side on the second intercostal space and the pulmonary area is on the left side on the second intercostal space. Along with this, you have already learned that the tricuspid area is on the lower left sternal border and the mitral area is at the apex, which is at the fifth intercostal space on the left side, 1.25 centimeter medial to the midclavicular line. So that completes the four important auscultatory areas. Thank you.